Yo, I just got to the crib and got this big ass box out of nowhere. Huge surprise big ass box from H&M, and we're about to find out what it is on the inside. So y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer.
What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, and welcome back for another one, man. Y'all already know how it is, man. This is where you can get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. So if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, and while you at it, go ahead, drop a comment down below and let me know that you just joined the squad. Now, man, I just got to the crib, and so it was a note on the door, of course, and it's like something is in the back, so check the back, and I'm like, damn, this big ass box is back here. Luckily, nobody stole it. Check the box, and I'm like, damn, this big ass box, man, what's on the inside? I didn't even know what it was. I'm like, bruh, I just came up because it's my name on the box, so it's obviously for me. But anyway, it wasn't until I set up this video camera, and then I noticed, I know exactly what it was. So what we're about to do is check out this big ass box from H&M. We're about to check out what's going on the inside, because lately I've been wanting to update my style, right? So in the next 2 weeks, you all are about to notice a huge change when it comes to things, except for my sneakers. But let's just get to this box real quick, man, because I'm excited to show y'all what pieces I got real quick from H&M, man. And I hope y'all just as excited for these pieces that I got. So, bam! Y'all know how that go. Y'all gotta have one of these, man. You gotta have it. Whatever. If you needed to spread toast or whatever it is, I don't know, spread your butter on your toast or cut up a big ass box like this. But anyway, got that one. That's two. Boom. That's one. Why can't I do both at the same time? Boom. That's two. All right, so let's check in this big ass box real quick. I got this knife. I almost poked myself in the head, man. Learn from that. Don't be holding stuff up in the air, bro. Yes, sir. How I do my shopping is very different than everybody else. I don't like when I'm online shopping, I don't really shop at specific stores. I type in the specific fashion that I'm looking for, whether it's a specific item or it just comes to my head, and I type in like a specific color, a type of style of the piece that I'm looking for, and I try to figure out like what's the best, what looks the best, and if it can go in my mind, what it looks like in my mind. And then I just pick out my piece. So that's how I do my online shopping. So I never really go looking for a specific brand. That's not who I am. So that lets you know how open I am with fashion. So first piece, man, is something I've been wanting for a long time, especially with it being like the wintertime, moving into the wintertime. You know you gotta have your coat game strong, bro. So I got this olive colored Parker, man. I've always wanted a Parker coat. I never had one. And this is huge. This is an XL. And coats I usually wear like a large, but this is an XL. Look on the inside of that hoodie. Woo-hoo. Check that out. That's one of the huge Parker coats that I'm excited to wear. It ran me for a decent price, so I can't even stunt. It ran me for a decent price, so I wasn't tripping. And again, I always wanted a Parker coat. Don't remember the last time I had a Parker. I don't even think I had a Parker coat, to be honest. But anyway, let me put this on real quick. Check out the inside. Black inside. I wish it was like this navy. I wish it was like navy blue. It'd be, if it was navy blue, it'd be extremely hard. Like navy blue on the inside. I'm very attentive to detail and everything. I love the inside of this hoodie. It's definitely gonna keep me warm on those days that it get cold as hell. So put this on. It fit comfortably too. And I always like the inside when it have like an inside sleeve on there. Fire, bro. Definitely one of the pieces that I have to get. And it's open, it's like pretty loose on the inside of my arms. That's what you want to look for, because when it comes to like the wintertime, of course you're gonna be wearing layers and everything like that. So you got sweaters, your long sleeve shirts, sometimes you might wear short sleeve shirts and everything like that, but you're gonna be wearing a number of layers. So you want to get it big enough so you can have so you can have things to fit up under here. That's one of my biggest things when it comes to grabbing a coat and choosing which size I should pick. Boom! Oh, I'm on. Plus they got these big ass pockets that's on the inside of here. If you can see that, look at that. Huge cargo pockets that's on the side, man. I mean, I can store a lot of stuff up in here. My wallet, a backpack, a MacBook, I don't know what. Definitely, I'm one for hoodies, especially when it's cold outside. I wear hats and I wear beanies and everything, but I usually wear them above my ears. So in this case, it will be good to like have this right here, especially the insulation on here. Like, man, yeah. That insulation that's on here, fire, bro. All right, now next up is a piece that's gonna be my favorite for the winter. I got another bomb ass coat, and this one has to be my favorite. Like I said, it gotta be my favorite. Reasons why: because it's puffy as hell, and on top of that, it's a loud color. Yellow as hell, boy. Now look, I didn't actually go out for like I didn't actually go out for a loud piece at first until I looked in my closet and I'm like, man, I got too many dark colors. I want a statement piece without that statement piece having to be like clothing that I actually wear. I wanted it to be like a overcoat or an over jacket or something like that. And then I thought, why not get a big ass coat? Why not get a puffer coat? And why not let it be a loud statement piece? I was looking for orange and then I saw yellow and I was like, man, I ain't never had no yellow coat like this before. So boom, had to go with it. This is a size 2X, even bigger. With the puffer coat, I always wanted to have a puffer coat as well. And I wanted one that was big because these puffer coats, they like pretty soft. They don't have too much insulation in them. But the bigger the size, of course, the more you have that you have insulation on the inside. And on top of that, I wanted that big puffy look. I wanted a bigger puffy look. I'm already a big solid guy, a muscle fit guy, but I wanted something that was more puffier instead of being so slim. Now the coat that I got right now with the Parker one, that's for like the casual wear. I could go between casual and streetwear. This right here, this is definitely a loud piece. So I mean, like more so streetwear attire is gonna be worn with this one. This boy's still gonna keep me warm and I'm still gonna be fighting with this joint on. Oh, do you see me? Look how big this hoodie is, bro. Look how big this hood. Big as hell. Do you see that? Big ass hood. I ain't tripping though. I think this is bomb, man. I got this coat. So yeah, those are actually the two pieces I got, bro. Like I got those two pieces. The sale was that I end up spending only 70 bones, but I would have ended up coming out like about $150, and this was on sale. So I was like, ho, had to grab that real quick. So I'm excited, man. Those are two pieces I got. Like I said, y'all are about to see a lot that's coming up for 2020, especially when it comes to my fashion. So a lot of change. I'm still gonna keep my sneakers around. I'm still gonna keep the sneaker channel going, of course, anytime I cop some new sneakers or something. But y'all are about to see a huge drastic change when it comes to my style and my fashion for like clothing and everything. So of course I had to get my coat game up first. So with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all watching as always. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. I'm your homeboy Cam Quarterbanks. I'll get at y'all on the next run. Y'all know how it is, man. I'm out, I'm gone. I'll holla at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Go and fetch my beer with the swiftness I